What if I told you that September isn't the end of gardening season? It's actually the secret beginning of your winter harvest. Shocking, right? Most people pack away their tools after summer, but that's the biggest mistake. September holds a hidden power that can transform your cold months into a season of abundance. Imagine fresh spinach, carrots, and kale on your plate when everyone else is stuck with store-bought produce. Sounds unbelievable? Well, today you'll learn how September gardening can set you up for success all winter long. But first, let's uncover why this month is so powerful. Here's a question: why does September matter more than October or November for your winter harvest? Most beginners don't realize the answer, and that's exactly why their gardens fail once the frost hits. The truth is, plants need time. Seeds you drop into the soil now are not just growing, they're preparing for survival. But wait before I reveal the one crop beginners almost always miss. Let's pause and think. What if the secret to thriving vegetables in January actually starts with soil temperatures in September? That might sound crazy, but it's real science. Stay with me, because this one detail separates struggling gardeners from those who enjoy baskets of fresh food deep into winter. The first thing you need to know: September gardening is not late. It's perfect timing. Why? Because the soil is still warm from summer. It helps seeds sprout quickly. Once established, cooler weather makes plants sweeter and stronger. This is why crops like beets, lettuce, kale, and radishes thrive now. They get a head start before winter sets in. But here's the twist: many beginners think planting in September is too late, so they quit early. That's the exact trap you need to avoid. Remember this: a strong winter harvest doesn't depend on luck, it depends on when you start. And September is your golden ticket. But hold on, because there's one secret technique that multiplies your chances of success. Let me hit you with this. What if I told you there's a simple trick that makes your September garden almost frost-proof? Sounds impossible, right? But this is where most people's minds get blown. Imagine walking into your backyard in December and still picking greens. Crazy visual, isn't it? The trick isn't magic, it's preparation. And I'll reveal it soon. But here's the suspense: most gardeners fail not because of frost itself, but because they ignore one protective layer that costs less than dinner at a restaurant. Guess what it is? Stick with me, because I'm about to break it down. That protective layer is mulch and row covers. Simple, cheap, but game-changing. By adding mulch around your plants in September, you trap soil warmth. Row covers, on the other hand, act like a light blanket, guarding against sudden frosts. This combination can extend your growing season by weeks, sometimes months. And here's the kicker: plants like carrots, garlic, and spinach don't just survive, they actually thrive in these conditions. This is why smart gardeners don't stop in summer. They double down in September. Want another pro tip? Stagger your plantings every 2 weeks this month. That way, your winter harvest comes in waves, keeping your table full and your grocery bill low. But here's the question no one seems to ask. What's the one crop almost everyone forgets to plant in September, yet it becomes the superstar of the winter harvest? It's not lettuce, not carrots, not even kale. Before I reveal it, think about this. If you had a vegetable that grew sweeter with every frost, wouldn't you want it in your garden? This is the crop that could change your cold season meals forever. Ready for the answer? Let's bring it home. That crop is Brussels sprouts. The colder it gets, the sweeter they taste, making them a hidden gem of September gardening. So here's your move: don't pack up your garden tools yet. Start your September garden now. Protect it with simple tricks and unlock your winter harvest. Subscribe for more gardening secrets.